Here's something most beginners don't know. There are two main types of virtual assistants. First, the general virtual assistant. Ito yung mga gumagawa ng admin task, data entry, email management, Canva designs. Basically, ikaw yung backbone ng client. Perfecto kung gusto mo munang matutunan ang basic habang hinahanap mo pa kung saan ka mag-excel. The next one is the niche VA. Ito naman yung may special skill. Pwede kang maging social media manager, funnel builder, web designer, bookkeeper. Depende sa expertise mo. Mas focus ka, pero mas mataas din madalas ang rate kasi specialized ka. Kaya kung nalilito ka pa kung saan ka magsisimula, don't worry, pareho silang maganda. It depends on your goal and skill set. Ang mahalaga, mag-start ka. Dahil ang lahat ng bagay ay napag-aaralan. So, which one are you? General VA or niche VA? Pag-isipan mo.